I try to be good with words, but there's a sentence that was kind of cringy, so I need to cross that off. Morgan Elizabeth Agian. You walked into my life quietly, yet somehow you brought with you all the love, joy, and warmth I didn't know I was searching for.
Not only am I actually getting married, but I'm marrying the man of my dreams. As excited as I am for today, I'm 1,000 times more excited for the rest of our lives.
This afternoon, you're surrounded by family and friends on this joyful and holy day. I ask you very simply to promise them your constant love, support, and prayers. Morgan and Jack, serve one another, forgive one another, celebrate joy, sorrow, and new life. Communicate love, forgiveness, and acceptance.
On this special day that you worked so hard to plan, I can't help but remember your kind spirit of love that Casey and I saw from the moment you arrived. Your love of family was boundless. I happened over here, I met this guy who's really awesome. He's good looking, kind, really likes helping people, and is really tall. And he's a sheriff's detective. I'm feeling pretty safe tonight. Jack, I truly feel I've gained a son, but there is one more box to check. Could being a Packer fan be in your future?
Up when life feels heavy, be a shoulder for you when you need comfort, and make you laugh when you need it most.
You should have kept it
I don't know.
It's so sweet and it's nice.